My utility bills are cheaper than living in a one-bedroom apartment, so that was really amazing to me. My name is Reiss, and I live in Council Ridge. This is my second home. The other home that I owned was actually out of state, so I've been renting since then, just moving with my job. Whenever I moved into this home, everything was so easy. I didn't have to even hardly ask questions because all of the Tabor folks were so helpful and constantly feeding me information. So I always knew what was happening next. I didn't really have to even worry about where do I need to be, when do I need to be there, what needs done. I didn't have a realtor because I was actually looking to rent something, and then I just stumbled upon the house actually. The house was almost complete by that point, so there weren't a whole lot of places for me to make changes, but I loved it as it was, so I didn't need to anyway. I really love how efficient it is. I love how well everything is done. The craftsmanship is really great. I don't find problems with anything. All of the cabinet space in the kitchen and the really deep drawers, I didn't think that I would love that as much as I do. People come into my house and they open, oh my goodness, you can fit everything in here. Yes, I sure can. I don't even need any drawers hardly. I do recommend Homes by Tabor to everybody that I talk to about buying a home. My best friend lives in Houston and they're thinking of moving up here. So I told her, as soon as you think about doing this, you need to get a hold of me and let me know so I can get you in line with somebody at Tabor and you can get a perfect house. And I have a brother who also owns a Tabor home. So we're keeping it all in the family.